Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.08% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely critical. The EMA 50 for the most part is presently at $0.007 by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin truly is floating at $87,003,429, which truly is very critical. Jasmy generally has its especially next obstruction at $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. 25 October 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these as often as possible, especially gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What most certainly is by and large momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in a real sense, is Jasmy a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, which truly is very huge. However, prior to jumping essentially profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, for the most part allowed us fundamentally to discuss the kind of current economic situations in a by and large significant manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to $1,266,797,359,948, which really is genuinely critical. The especially complete exchanging volume basically remains at $53,871,161,058 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, so Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely critical. Which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82%, showing how Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, so Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time span, which for the most part is genuinely huge. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.27 and presently exchanging at 56 cents, which generally shows that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.27 and as of now exchanging at 56 cents in every practical sense, significant way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions especially show that the market basically is going in a kind of descending bearing for in every practical sense, present moment, which really is very critical. As of now, a kind of broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in every practical sense. Further appearance how 25 October 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually explicitly sought clarification on some things, facts, what especially is somewhat transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, in a real sense, is Jasmy a for the most part wise interest in a sort of significant manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers explicitly become most certainly more genuinely dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which vendors sort of become move especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Pretty further appearance how Jasmy generally has its really next opposition at $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The for the most part current Jasmy coin cost by and large is $0.007 with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the beyond 24 hours in a for the most part significant manner. Presently, Jasmy in a real sense is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, showing how right now, Jasmy soared of is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy Coin Value Examination. Jasmy Cost Investigation for 25 October 2023 inside a day-to-day time period, sort of made sense of beneath, which is genuinely huge. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving in every way that really matters, normal, EMA, to especially examine the future development of the Jasmy coin. Fundamentally further appearance how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82%, showing how Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, so Jasmy coin support and opposition levels, and so forth in a significant manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, so Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they truly thought. Jasmy coin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday diagram in a quite enormous manner for the most part. The very relative strength record, RSI, for Jasmy coin in a real sense is at present drifting at 19 for 14 days truly normal line, which truly implies Jasmy in a real sense is in oversold zone, and a pattern truly inversion in every way that really matters is conceivable, showing the way in which the MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, so Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. While Jasmy's Williams %R pointer especially is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, especially signal by and large, is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time span, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ends as per our specialized examination information, the by and large transient conjecture for the Jasmy coin cost really is generally bullish at the hour of compassing.